Good evening, children. Morning we saw regarding biological classification, Aristotle, Carolus Linnaeus, five kingdom classification, R.H. Whittaker, okay, the man of American ecologist, okay, five kingdom classification was proposed by R.H. Whittaker. What are those five kingdom? Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animaliae. And first we saw regarding Monera, Archaebacteria and Eubacteria. We have learned about the structure of bacterium too, and also heterotrophic bacteria, mycoplasm and eubacteria, and regarding how the fission will take place in the bacteria. I think now you got an idea regarding Monera. Next we'll move on to the kingdom Protista. Here kingdom Protista means you want to remember a single celled eukaryotes. So Protista means don't ever forget, okay. How we are telling Monera means prokaryotes, like that. Single celled prokaryotes we can call it as Monera. So single celled eukaryotics we can call it as Protista. And in Protista most of the organisms are aquatic, so we can call primarily aquatic. Protista means single celled eukaryotes, so we can see single celled plant also, single celled animal also, and we can able to see these kind of organisms Protista in mostly we can see marine only, marine or freshwater, so we can tell primarily it is aquatic. And this kingdom forms a link with others dealing with plants, animals and fungi. So it is only the base. So from that we can see linkage for plants, linkage for animals and even linkage for fungi. So you want to remember under Protista single cell eukaryotics contains plants also, animals also, fungi also. Don't ever forget, children, single celled plants, single celled animals, single celled fungi with eukaryotic nature, it will comes under the Protista. And being eukaryotes, the Protista cell body contains well defined nucleus. So we have discussed in Monera, there won't be any nucleus, there we can see nucleoid alone, but we can see in the Protista nucleus. So if it is nucleus is there, automatically we can see all membrane bound organelles. What do you mean by membrane bound organelles? We have learned in lower classes mitochondria, chloroplast, these and all membrane bound organelles like Golgi body, everything. Ribosome alone there is no membrane, so that's why it is present in the prokaryotes. So only one cell organelle which is present in the prokaryote is ribosome. The ribosome doesn't contain any membrane, so we can call it as membrane free organelle, means you want to write it as ribosomes. Next come to the eukaryotes, we can see membrane bound organelles like the nucleus, Golgi apparatus, chloroplast, mitochondria, and you can see all those membrane bound cell organelles in Protista. And protist reproduce, how it will reproduce? It will reproduce by asexually and sexually, and it will involve cell fusion and zygote formation. Zygote means male and female fuse together, you will get a zygote. So that's all about the characteristic regarding Protista. So can you list out the points of Protista? Single cell eukaryotics, primarily we can see in aquatic only. It contained plants also, animals also, fungi group also, and we can see well developed nucleus and well developed membrane bound cell organelles, and it will reproduce under asexually and sexually also. Next we'll move on to the next slide. So this is the category, okay. Protista contain chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, protozoans, slime molds, euglenoids. I'll repeat once again. Protista contains 5 categories. Protista is a kingdom, okay. Under kingdom we can see these kind of categories like chrysophytes. So chrysophytes means you want to remember it is an algae, okay, it is an algae. And dinoflagellate also algae only. Protozoan we learned it is an animal, amoeba will come, no. So protozoan is a single celled animal we can see under protozoan. Slime mold, mold means fungi, so we can able to see a group of fungi. And euglenoids, possess both the characteristic of plant and animal. So it will possess a double character. Chrysophytes, it will possess single celled algae, comes under chrysophytes. Dinoflagellate means here also single celled algae comes under dinoflagellates. Protozoan means algae comes under plant only. Protozoan, it is an animal group. Slime mold, it is a fungi group. Euglenoids, it possesses both the characteristic of plant and animal. Is that clear, children? So that's all the subcategories of Protista. So Protista is a kingdom. Under that we have five types. What are those? Chrysophytes, dinoflagellates, protozoans, slime modes, euglenoids. What is chrysophytes? There we can see single celled algae. Dinoflagellate also single celled algae. Eukaryotes, all are eukaryote. That word you want to remember. All are eukaryotes only. Eukaryote means containing two nucleus. Protozoans, single celled animal, example amoeba. Slime mold, fungi group. Euglenoids possess both plant category and animal category. So euglenoid comes under both plant and animal. Is that clear, children? Next we'll move on to the next slide. So this chrysophytes I'll explain in the next video. Remaining 5 also you will get as a single video. Thank you.